Can you shut your head really fast like this?
The OG. This is interesting. Round. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back.
I got 2 snacks now. 2 snacks.
I got no money. Oh my god. This is the OG. This is like blue sound effects.
No. Just one. Can I have one?
What happened to Queso?
Just
Oh.
one.
He's a streamer.
Whipped cream.
4,000?
Whipped cream.
Oh yeah.
Of course.
That's the
I'm
reason.
just kidding. I can't believe you pranked me like that.
Come on, let me upgrade.
I have a headache
Old
right now.
room, so it won't.
You know why? Because in this.
Wait, you wanna hear something?
Wait, I'm talking to Avery, but
Got no money.
in Miss Preston's class, she has a vacuum. You know the vacuum. Like everybody got a turn, but after it hurt my head, my ears, and it's still hurting right now.
Oh yeah, W. Shots.
No, you can just have this green.
Oh, that's alright.
Green.
Just don't say
Are there mohawks back here? I don't know. I don't think there were mohawks back then, guys.
1734.
What's that potato chip?
Why are you not busting in the morning?
The crap. Oh,
I have to wake up at 6 a.m.
oh, that's too easy. That's too easy.
get the bus. In my normal time to wake up at 7:45. So yeah.
Start the round.
I don't know.
So,
Dad. Wake me up at 7.
we're trying to get to round 19.
Now 1, now 2, put the whole thing back.
Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go.
because I don't know why he's gonna
See my pinky, see my thumb, see my fist, you better run.
Not gonna have 20.
Wait, you need a tic-tac. Wait, stop. You need a tic-tac. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but the whole thing. No, but the whole thing back.
Next.
Why does that have so much anime?
Oh, those green go fast.
It's not anime.
I ain't got enough of any of these. I think we're about to die.
I'm gonna say that when we get on the
This
bus.
is GG's.
And remember, I'm sitting next to you only on Mondays. What? I'm only sitting with her on Mondays.
That's round. This is round 7. Come on.
Unless you're like sick, right? Yeah.
We should all three sit
This is the OG.
Yeah. Slay.
all three gonna sit together.
Slay. But we gotta sit in the second seat.
You know that Roblox thing? You know that Roblox thing? That item you can put on your fingers, like those nails, those long nails. Those really long nails.
Yeah. But if we, what do you have on your watch?
Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked.
It looks like
Yeah,
a
we're
lot of
cooked.
stuff.
We're cooked. We're cooked.
Yeah, because she has.
We're
She's
cooked.
gonna have the whole entire dining table. She's gonna have the whole entire
It has
dining
peanut
table.
butter in it. No, I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. It says cheese. Look, who eats peanut butter with cheese? Yeah, that's disgusting. How does Bluey And Bingo eats peanut butter and bananas.
Ooh,
That's good.
with bread.
I can't have peanut butter, so
I only like
my mom and dad said I can grow out of my allergic reaction. So I hope it's like peanut butter or shellfish.
You're allergic to shellfish?
Wait, hold on. Wait, what?
I'm allergic to shellfish.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can grow out your allergy.
Yeah.
But you can't tell.
Alright, guys, that's the
Don't
end.
even.
Yeah, I'll take one.
All right.
Don't even tell me.
Peace.